Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm going to show you a lovely pop-up candy treat that I'm making for one of my craft fairs. It's a box made of cardstock, and when you open it, got some mini Ghiradellis and a little pop-up that says "For You." And it fits perfectly and closes for a sweet treat for anybody. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a 6-inch piece of cardstock, and you score it on 2 inches on all sides. Then you cut out all 4 corners. You're going to save one for the lid, and then you're going to cut one to 1/2 inches, so 4 strips for the side of the lids. 2 pieces, a 1/2 inch by 5 for the spring part. I already stamped and die cut the circle using the deckled circles dies. The lid is a 4 1/8 by 4 1/8 square, and you score it 1/2 inch and 1 inch on all 4 sides to get that shape, and then you cut it this way in terms of up to this the last score line on these 4 sides. You cut out these 2 squares, and I mitered the bends here, and then mitered these 2 flaps here because you're going to fold them in to make the lid, and I'll show you how to do that. So all you do is go ahead and fold in all along all the score lines, go all the way around, including the little flaps here. Actually, we'll go this way since the score lines are down. So the inside one, the flap one, and then inside flaps until you get a shape that's like this. Then you're going to take your glue, and you're going to, on this side where the 2 flaps go in, you're going to put some glue here on, oops, sorry about that. You're going to put some glue on, let's see if I can get this out, on 2 of the flaps. Put the tabs in, fold it against the first fold, and then fold in to hold that down. I'll do it again. Glue on both flaps, fold down the tabs, then fold down the last tab. And I like to use a bone folder to really burnish it well before I put in the last 2 flaps. So you got those 2. Now the last 2 flaps, some glue on here and some glue on here, and you're folding those in. And there you got the lid. So we're going to decorate the lid. We're going to take one of these and put some adhesive on the back of it, and it fits perfectly on the top of the lid. And then we're going to take these 4 strips to put the sides of the lid. So I'm going to put some glue on all 4 strips. And put them on the sides to decorate it. You can use any adhesive you like. I prefer the glue. It just takes a few seconds for it to really take a hold. And it's just a good accent and good way of using the scraps that you don't use for the box. Alright, the lid is done. So you can actually see how it's all covered with the same cardstock. Alright, and then for the actual box, I'm going to fold these up. And then I'll bring in the Ghiradellis, and they have glue dots on the back of them. So I'm just going to line them up here. To the top so it doesn't affect the lid fitting. The glue dots will hold them very nicely. And then for the bonus for the spring, I think I learned this in elementary school. 2 strips, corner to corner, and you're just folding each piece one by one. And it makes a spring. Does anybody else remember doing these in elementary school? It was like for something to pop something up. And I still remember it, and I love using all my strips. So you get to the end, you can actually, I'm going to cut those off, I think, because we don't need it very. So the last flap, you always want to put a little glue dot there to hold that down. The last flap here just goes like that. Close that up real quick. Then some glue right here to set in the middle. Little glue here. And I like to put the for you. Hold that down for a second. And see how it pops up? Kind of like a spring. Like that. Then all you have to do is close your box. And you have a lovely treat box. So, thanks for letting me share this with you. If you want to continue having access to video tutorials such as this, please like and subscribe and share, and you'll be able to learn way more of that. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.